Welcome. Welcome dear students in one another session. Myself Darshana Sandeep Shinde and our today's discussion topic is filtration and clarification. Let's start our discussion. Learning outcomes of our today's lecture are: after watching this video, students should be able to understand what is meant by clarification and filtration, theory of the filtration, then factors affecting the rate of the filtration, then about metafilters, working construction of it, then membrane filters, then sintered glass filters, filter press, filter leaf, and filter candles. Let's start our discussion. First of all, what is meant by clarification and filtration? In this, various terms are involved. First of all, filtration is the process whereby the solid particles are separated from the liquid or the gas by passing it through the porous medium which retain the solid but allow the fluid to pass. That is meant by filtration. Then when the solids are present in the very small proportion, that is not exceeding 1%, the process of its separation from the liquid is called as the clarification. This is the difference between filtration and clarification. Ultrafiltration may be defined as separation of the intermicellary liquid from the solids by the use of the pressure on a semi-permeable membrane. The porous medium is used to retain the solid are known as the filter medium. The solid which get collected on the filter is called filter cake, and the clear liquid passing through the filter is known as the filtrate. When the object of the filtration is to remove its large visible particles by using the coarse filtrating medium such as the muslin cloth, cotton wool, the process is known as the staining. These are some important phenomena associated with the filtration and clarification. Then we see the difference between filtration and clarification. Filtration is the process of removal of solid of suspended matter in a liquid or a gas by passing through a porous medium in which solids are retained, where clarification is the process of removal of solid in a very less concentration from the liquid. Concentration of the solid is less than 1%. Filtration can be achieved by using different filter medias, and clarification can be achieved by doing the filtration or centrifugation. For the filtration, we use the filter leaf, candle, press, and for the clarification, metafilter is used for the clarification of syrups and elixirs. Then theory of filtration. The theory of filtration gives an idea about the factor influencing the rate of the filtration through the filtrating the medium rather than the mechanism by which the particles are retained. The factors affecting the rate of the filtration we studied by the scientist name as the Dacre. He expressed it in the form of the equation which is known as the Dacre's law. The equation is V is equal to K A delta P upon nu L, where V is equal to volume of filtrate, K is equal to permeability of coefficient, and it's dependent on the nature of the precipitate to be filtered and filter medium. A is the area of the filter bed. Delta P is the pressure difference of the liquid and the below the filter medium. Nu is the viscosity of the fluid, and L is the thickness of the filter cake. Then factors affecting the rate of filtration are: first factor is pressure. The rate of filtration of the liquid is directly proportional to the pressure and the difference between the filter medium and the filter cake. Thus, the rate of filtration can be increased by applying the pressure on the liquid being filtered or by decreasing the pressure beneath the filter. Then viscosity. The rate of filtration is inversely proportional to the viscosity of the liquid. Liquid which are very viscous get filtered slowly in comparison to the low viscosity. Reduction of the viscosity of a liquid by raising the temperature is frequently done in order to accelerate the filtration. Example of its: syrups are more quickly filtered when they are in a hot than the cold one. The next factor is surface area of the filter media. The rate of filtration is directly proportional to the surface area of filter media. Then plating the filter papers or using the fluted funnel increases the effective surface area of the filter paper for the filtration. Filter press also works on the same principle. Then temperature of the liquid to be filtered. Temperature plays an important role in the rate of filtration. Viscosity reduced by rise in the temperature and the temperature of the viscous oil, syrups, etc. is often accelerated by the filtering them while they are hot. So these liquids are preferred to filtration while they are hot. Then particle size. Rate of filtration is directly proportional to the size of the solid to be removed. It is easier to filter a liquid having the coarse particle than the having the finely divided particle, because the coarse filtrating media can be used to filter the liquid having the coarse particle and hence increase the rate of the filtration. Therefore, filtration or some method should be adapted to agglomerate and finally divided particle into the coarse particles or to increase the particle size by the precipitation. The next factor is pore size of filter media. The rate of filtration is directly proportional to the pore size of the filter media. The liquid having coarse particles required a coarse filtrating media to remove them. So, the rate of filtration is increased when the coarse filter medium is used for the filtration. Then eighth factor is thickness of the cake. The rate of filtration is inversely proportional to the thickness of the filter cake formed during the process of the filtration. As the filtration process proceeds, the solid particle starts depositing on the filter medium and thus it has increased the thickness of the cake and decreased the rate of the filtration. Then the nature of the solid material. The rate of filtration is directly proportional to the porosity of the filter cake. The porosity of the filter cake depends on the nature of the solid particles to be removed from the liquids. Filter aids are sometimes added to filtering the liquid from the porous cake. All in all, sum of the rate of the filtration, which is depend upon the various factors and can be written as rate of filtration is equal to area of filtration into pressure difference upon viscosity into resistance of cake and filter. Then these are some filters we commonly use for the filtration. Then first of all we see the different among the different media there is a filter media. The surface upon which solid are retained in the process of filtration is known as the filter medium. A good filter media should possess the following characteristics. It should be not absorb the continuous constituents of the liquid preparation undergoing the filtration. It should be resistant to the corrosive action of the liquid. Then it should have a smooth surface for the easy discharge of the cake. It should allow free for the liquid. It should be resistant to chemical reaction with the content of the liquid to be filtrated. It should have sufficient mechanical strength to resist the damage that occur during the filtration under the liquid. The selection of the filter media is depend upon the quantity of the filter media to be filtrated, the nature of the product to be filtered, that is its viscosity, the size of the solid particle to be written on the filter. Then various filtrating media employed for the filtration are, first is a filter paper. Filter paper is most commonly used as a filter media for general filtration. Filter papers are classified as the coarse, medium, fine according to their pore size. For the filtration of the pharmaceutical preparation, a fine grade of filter paper is used. The main drawback of the filter paper is that it has an absorbing property and also it sheds fine particles into the filtrate. Then next one is the cotton wool. Cotton wool is generally filtrating of the moderately coarse particles. The disadvantages of cotton is that it shed fine cotton hairs in the filtrate. The problem can be solved to a large extent by using the cotton wool of a long staple and wetting the cotton wool plug with the liquid before its use. Next is a glass wool. It consists of a fine fibers of the glass which are resistant to corrosive liquids. So it is used for the finely corrosive liquids or filtrating the corrosive liquids such as the strong acids, alkalis, oxidizing agents. So that example of it, solution of chronic acid and potassium permanganate. And the next one filtrating media is a asbestos. It is used for the same purpose of the glass wool. It is commonly used as a gravimetric analysis for the collecting the fine precipitate which are to be ignised. Then these are the filtrating media which we oftenly use. These are the filter papers, sintered guard filters. Then filter aids. These are the substances which reduce the resistance of the filter to flow. These are added to the filtration paper in the concentration of 0.1 to 5%. The ideal filter paper should have the following properties. It should be able to remain the suspended in the liquid. It should be free from the impurities. It should be inert to the liquid being filtered. It should have a particle size distribution suitable with the retention of the solid as required. It should have a structure that permit the formation of the porous cake. The object of the filter is to prevent the filter medium from the becoming the blockage and to form open porous cake. So reducing resistance flow of the filter. Hence the filter aid must be light, porous and inert one. This is the filter media, how it is work, or filter aids, how it is work. Filtering device used in the pharmaceutical industry are filter press, filter leaf, filter candle, metafilter, membrane filter, and sintered glass filter. Filter press. There are two basic forms of the filter press: plate and frame press. Construction is plate and frame filter press involved. It consists of plates and frames. The frames is open. It is used in the inlet for the material to be filtered. Plate has a groove surface which supports the filter cloth. Plate and frame made of various metals which provide the resistance to the corrosion and prevent the metallic contamination of the filtrate. The filter is cloth is fitted on each of the plate. The plate and the frame are placed alternatively and fitted in the our frame of the press. Such a plates act as a single filtrating unit. The outlet of each plate is connected to the common outlet pipe. This is the filter place. These are different plates are placed one over another, and this is the filter cake, filtrating clear filtrant. In this way, this process is carried out. Working. It's as shown in the figure. The filtrating liquids are entered under the pressure from the feed of the channel, and the filtrate passes through the filter medium on the surface of the plate. In this session, we cover the point what is meant by clarification and filtration, theory of the filtration, and factors affecting on the rate of the filtration. In next part of filtration and clarification, we see the metafilters, membrane filters, sintered glass filter, filter press, filter leaf, and filter candles. Thank you for watching the videos.